This is another failed rocket stove. This is a J tube type. So we got the feed here. Oops, fire's coming back up the feed tube. That's no good. Let's see if we can deal with that. Problem is that to get the draft you need a rather tall riser, and once you get a tall riser you lose the heat at the top. So a traditional stove cooks over the fire. A rocket stove is purportedly supposed to be able to cook over the secondary combustion, but presumably there's just too much mass in the fire bricks, which is sucking the heat out of the fire, and so by the time it gets to the cooking plate, the heat is largely gone. So this is not going to cook. And if we look at the temperatures, where's my laser? There it is. Wow, I don't know if I believe that. That says 534 degrees Celsius. But and you can see the flame is going horizontally, but at the cooking plate, 37 degrees, 71, 90. The meat's not cooked anyway. It's pretty dismal anyway. I was getting up to about 100 degrees before, but again that's not enough to cook. Okay, so time to try something different. Thanks for watching.